Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Eddie here at Eddie Makes Art. Thank you so much for stopping by. And I'm just doing some doodling here in my art journal. You can see I'm drawing out some circles. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint some Christmas ornaments. And just, kind of loose, just kind of fun. What I did is I used an HB pencil to draw out my circles, and then I'm using a kneaded eraser to lift off most of that pencil mark so I don't see a lot of it, but I see enough where I can fill in. And I'm basically using the wet and wet technique where I wet the area I want to paint, and then I start adding my watercolor paint. Then I go from there. In this particular ornament, what I do is I'll show you, what you can do is if you add too much water, and I did that on this one. What I do is I come back with not a dry brush, but a brush that I wipe off pretty well on my towel, and then pick up any of the extra water. Just leave it more of a smooth finish. You'll see that in a second here. I apologize. I've watched this like a couple times already, and I should know that I didn't do that in order. But anyway, you can see here I'm doing it with the red ornament where I lift it up a little bit and just spread out the color. And you see here I'm lifting up the water on that ornament and just make it a more smooth finish. On this particular ornament, I decided to add some rock salt. Actually, it's not rock salt, it's kosher salt, to give it a little of a textured effect. And I also did that to one other one, but I don't think I got it on video. But it's the pink one next to the one I'm about to paint. And it just adds a little bit of texture and fun. And I don't use the heat gun when I use the salt because I want to let it dry naturally and create its own shapes and textures just naturally, and just let it, let it be. I did use a heat gun at the end just to make sure everything was dry before I started doodling on them with my pens and markers. Next thing I did is I took a black marker pen and just drew around some of the circles very loosely. And then I used also some gel pens in silver and gold to go around some of them. And just kind of, like I said, just keep it loose and relaxed. After all, it's my art journal. It's nothing, it's more of a loosening up exercise. Or warming up exercise, you could say. And as you can see, I'm just doodling random designs on each one, just kind of, putting down what's coming out and, just having fun. That's all. Now I'm going to add the tops to the ornaments so they have something to hang from. And I'm just doing the same one on each one, just going over with the black marker pen. And then I'll take some watercolor and draw lines from each one to create the look like they're hanging down. And that's all. To finish this off, I'm going to splatter some gold metallic watercolor all over, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's fun, easy, relaxing. Give it a try. Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and come back for more content. Thank you so much. Have a great holiday.